cloudy, waves 4 to 6 feet. The forecast for open waters of Lake Michigan, issued at 10:57 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This afternoon, northwest winds 25 to 35 knots with gusts to 45 knots. Heavy freezing spray and blowing snow. Scattered snow showers. Waves 10 to 13 feet. Tonight, northwest winds 15 to 25 knots with gusts to 35 knots. Heavy freezing spray. Scattered snow showers and slight chance of light freezing rain. Waves 8 to 11 feet. Thursday, west winds 50 knots with higher gusts. Partly cloudy, waves 4 to 6 feet. Please listen to 162.475 megahertz for northern Lake Michigan forecasts. The extended forecast for Traverse City and vicinity. Saturday, mostly clear. Breezy. Lows in the
Only they're taking their sweet old time.
upper 50s. Sunday, partly cloudy.
You'll see that? They usually go 11:21
Monday, partly cloudy with a 40
or earlier,
rain showers.
never later.
Lows in the upper 40s. Highs in the lower 60s.
Check this out.
Tuesday, partly cloudy with a 40% chance
259 likes the cold.
colder. Lows in the lower 30s. Highs in
Tuner was dead yesterday. Well, actually this morning too.
11 a.m.
Oh, it's working now.
In Traverse City, light snow and blowing snow were reported, reducing the visibility.
It's only like
with the temperature
40 up here.
degrees. The relative humidity was 81%. Winds were northwest at 21 miles per hour, gusting as high as 33 miles per hour, producing a wind chill of 3. The pressure was 29.64 inches.
It's probably going to be after this cycle.
Some other reports across Michigan. Throughout the region, snow is falling. It was 18 at Houghton Lake, 16 at Gaylord, 20 at Alpena, 14 at Pellston, and 8 at Sault Ste. Marie. The forecast for the Traverse City area. Winter weather advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. This afternoon, snow showers. Areas of blowing snow. Breezy. Total daytime snow accumulation of 3 to 4 inches. Highs in the lower 20s.
You see that outside? Snow. It was 70 degrees yesterday.
Patchy blowing snow in the
And today it's in the 30s and snowing.
then partly cloudy with scattered snow showers after midnight. Breezy. Total nighttime snow accumulation 1 inch. Lows around 14. Northwest winds around 30 miles per hour, decreasing to around 15 miles per hour after midnight. Gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Thursday, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. West winds around 15 miles per hour. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour in the morning. Thursday night, breezy. Mostly clear. Lows in the upper 20s. Southwest winds 15 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts to 40. Friday, breezy. Mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. South winds around 30 miles per hour, with gusts to 35. Friday night, breezy. Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-30s. South winds around 30 miles per hour, with gusts to 35. You're listening to NOAA Weather Station KIH22 in Traverse City, Michigan, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.40 megahertz. Our program originates from the national... Test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. During dangerous weather situations, weather radio receivers are activated to warn you of the impending hazard. The test of the system is conducted every Wednesday between 11:15 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test will be canceled. The warning alarm is activated for short-fused weather watches and warnings affecting Michigan's northern lower peninsula, the eastern upper peninsula, and the adjacent coastal waters of the Great Lakes, including Whitefish Bay, Saginaw Bay, and the St. Mary's River system. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm. Here are the marine observations for the 11 o'clock hour.
Look at that. Weekly test on the 259. First ever alert on it since I've had it. That is awesome.